My name's Ben James. I'm the Chief Officer here on Motor Yacht A2. We're a 50-metre Feadship. This is a classic yacht, originally built in 1983, refurbished in 2012, so a completely bare metal refurbishment and extension up to 47 metres. I think the most unique feature here on A2 is probably the main deck aft. You won't see many enclosed main deck aft with the glass and the AC. Yeah, a nice place to dine and stay cool. One of the places the guests enjoy the most is the full beam master on board. The main reason for buying a classic Feadship is just the pedigree. That, you know, they're known as sort of the best boat builders around, and this is no different really. I think it just has everything. This yacht, for sort of a 50-metre, has some things that larger boats have. So for example, our limo tender there, you won't see that on many 50-metre yachts. You know, it just can go anywhere. It's quite a shallow draft, 2.6 metres. So good for the Bahamas, good for the Med, good for going into all those places you like to get into.